Hey everyone, if you are considering a violin for yourself or for maybe a young musician in your life, you've probably got a lot of questions. So today we're going to take a look at this full-size AKLOT handcrafted violin that comes with everything, and I'll discuss with you the key features that make it stand out. Now my daughter's been playing the violin for over 5 years, and she's going to demo the violin while I walk you through some of these key features. First up, let's talk about the construction. The violin's made with solid wood, spruce for the top, and maple for the sides and the back. These tone woods give the instrument a warm, balanced sound, which is really important in building technique. And even though I don't play violin myself, I know enough from hearing my daughter and with the many violins she's played that the tone on this one is pretty great. One thing I learned from my daughter is that sometimes tuning a violin can be a real hassle. Now you've got your normal tuning pegs here at the top, but these little knobs at the bottom that help with precise tuning come in really handy and aren't standard on all violins. So this is a really great feature of this particular AKLOT violin. This violin is equipped with German imported strings, which are known for their excellent stability and their bright tone. Not only does it have the strings that come on the violin, but it comes with an extra set of strings. So let's not forget about the accessory. In addition to those extra strings, it also comes with a bow, it comes with rosin, it comes with a cleaning cloth, it comes with a booklet that has a guide that will actually walk you through a bunch of lessons, talk about the violin, give you some basics. It also has the shoulder rest, an electronic tuner with batteries, and a really nice case. It's a soft case, but it's got that nice velvety interior that straps the violin. It's a really good case. So to sum up, this is a great violin. Whether you've been playing for several years like my daughter or you're brand new to it, this has everything you need to get started, and it has great craftsmanship on the actual violin, has a beautiful tone. You're gonna love it, so check it out.